Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install RingPath Lite with Ring app easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your RingPath Lite and ensuring all components are included. Next, download and install the Ring app on your smartphone if you haven't done so already. Open the Ring app and sign in to your account or create a new one if necessary. Once you're logged in, tap on the Set up a device option. Select lighting from the list of device categories. Choose Pathlight to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts to put your RingPath Lite into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing the button located on the light until it begins to flash. Once the light is in pairing mode, the app will detect it and prompt you to continue. Name your Path Lite according to your preference to help identify it later. Next, select the location where you plan to install the light. Now, it's time to install the Path Lite outdoors. Find a suitable spot in your garden or yard, ensuring it receives ample sunlight. Use the included stakes or mounting hardware to secure the Path Lite in place. Make sure the light is positioned vertically for optimal performance. Once the light is installed, return to the Ring app to complete the setup. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the installation settings. Now you can customize the light settings, including brightness and scheduling. Finally, test your RingPath Lite to ensure it's functioning correctly. You're now ready to enjoy your newly installed RingPath Lite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.